2013 Dodge Ram 1500. Got the HID lights, top and bottom. LED switchbacks in the turn signals. LED switchbacks are white when you're driving and will turn to the golden orange color when you use them. There you go, white to golden. I'll put the hazard lights on to have both of them going at the same time. Got your passenger side, white to golden. Driver side, white to golden. Did all the LED lights on the interior. Got your 3 up top. The 2 underneath on the driver and passenger side dash. In the back we've got the LED in the reverse and LEDs in the license plate lights. Got this one all finished up and ready to go. You can give us a call, set up an appointment, 214-320-5500. We are open Monday through Friday 10 to 6, Saturday 10 to 7, closed on Sundays. And see you guys on the next one.